Hello viewers, my name is Uncle Wisdom. We want to solve the previous class exercises. So, add the following: 5 over 8 plus 7 over 9. B, 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5 plus 5 over 6. Remember that what we are dealing on are how to solve the fractions, addition of fractions with different denominators. So we take them one after the other. A, solution: 5 over 8 plus 7 over 9. So we find the LCM of 8 and 9, which is 72. Then we'll take the one after the other. 1, 5 over 8 is equal to the LCM, that is 72. 72 divided by 8 will give us 9. 9 multiplied by 5 will give us 45 over 72. Take the next one. 7 all over 9 is equal to, the LCM is 72. 72 divided by 9 will give us 8. 8 multiplied by 7. 8 multiplied by 7 will give us 56 over 72. This implies that 45 all over 72 plus 56 all over 72, which is equal to the LCM, that is 72. We now sum the numerators. 45 plus 56, which is equal to 45 plus 56 will give us 101 all over 72. 101 all over 72 is an improper fraction. To make it a mixed number, 101 divided by 72 will give us one whole number, remainder 29 over 72. We now come again. This has different denominators. So in order to make it a uniform denominators, before we can add, we find the LCM of the denominators. And the LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. So we now take them one after the other. 5 over 8, which is equal to 72 as the LCM. 72 divided by 8 will give us 9. 9 multiplied by 5 will give us 45 over 72. We do the same to the other fraction. That is 7 over 9. The LCM is 72. 72 divided by 9 will give us 8. Multiplied by 7 will give us 56. 56 over 72. So we have actualized making the denominator uniform by achieving their equivalent fractions. Therefore, we can now add 45 over 72 plus 56 over 72. Their LCM 72. Then we'll now sum the numerators to give us 101 over 72. So this is improper fraction. To make it a mixed number, we now divide 101 by 72 to get one whole number, remainder 29 over 72. Then we now take the second example, second exercise, sorry. Exercise B. Solution. So we find the LCM of 3, 5, and 6, which is equal to 30. Taking the one after the other, 2 over 3 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 3 will give us 10 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 20 over 30. The next, 3 over 5, which is equal to 30 as the LCM. 30 divided by 5 will give us 6. 6 multiplied by 3 will give us 18 over 30. The last, that is 5 over 6, which is equal to the LCM 30. 30 divided by 6 will give us 5. 5 multiplied by 5 will give us 25 over 30. So, having achieved converting all of them to the same denominator, we now sum. This implies that 20 over 30 plus 18 over 30 plus 25 over 30 is equal to 30 as a common, 20 plus 18 plus 25, which is equal to 63 over 30. This 63 over 30 now, 63 over 30 can be simplified. 3 can go into this to give us 21 and into this to give us 10. This implies that 21 over 10, which is equal to 10, 21 divided by 10 will give us 2, remainder 1. Therefore, 2 whole number, 1 over 10 is our answer. So, let me come again. The exercise 2. Since the denominators are not the same, we find their LCM in order to get the equivalent fraction that the denominators will be the same. So we take the one after the other. Since the LCM of 3, 5, and 6 is 30. So the fraction of 2 over 3 is equal to the LCM. 30 divided by 3 will give us 10 plus 2, which is 20 over 30. We take the next fraction, 3 over 5, equal to the LCM. 30 divided by 5 will give us 6, multiplied by 3 to give us 18 over 30. And the last, 5 over 6. In 5 over 6 now, we'll still repeat the same thing. 30 divided by 6 will give us 5. 5 multiplied by 5 will give us 25 over 30. Meanwhile, we've actualized same denominators. Therefore, we can now sum up. 20 over 30 plus 18 over 30 plus 25 over 30, which is equal to 30. And we now sum up the numerators. 20 plus 18 plus 25 will give us 63. 63 over 30. And they have a common factor. That is 63 and 30 have a common factor. That is 3. When you factor it out, it will remain 21 over 10. And 21 over 10, being improper fraction, can still be converted to mixed number by dividing 21 by 10 to get 2. Remainder 1, that is 2 whole number, 1 over 10. That is our answer. That is that for previous class exercise. Please compare it with what you have solved to see if you got it right. If you didn't get it, please endeavor to do the correction. Thank you very much, and God bless you.